The AI story has taken an interesting turn. For the last 3 years, the plot looked fairly predictable. OpenAI on the throne, ChatGPT wearing the crown, hundreds of millions of users piling in. It looked like the market had already been decided. Case closed. No. But glance in the rearview mirror for a moment, there's another car there, and it's gaining. Anthropic, once described as the quiet lab across the street, is suddenly posting rather loud numbers. Revenue has climbed from roughly $1 billion to close to $20 billion in about 15 months. At that pace, even seasoned analysts start reaching out for a calculator. We pointed out this earlier on Front Page. And if you missed that episode, definitely it's worth catching up, because the data now tells a rather different story. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe. And the narrative war is only just getting interesting. The numbers are pure adrenaline. Anthropic is hitting a $20 billion annual run rate. When you start to trace the trajectory, it's a vertical line. December 2024, $1 billion. July 2025, $4 billion. End of 2025, $9 billion. February 2026, $14 billion. Today, $19 billion and climbing. They added $5 billion in revenue in a matter of weeks. Most Silicon Valley unicorns spend a decade fighting for a $10 million Series A. Anthropic just created a Fortune 500 sized revenue stream, while the rest of humanity was still trying to decide what actually matters. So, the question I ask myself, and I keep asking myself, is how do you make $20 billion that fast? Well, clearly I realized chatbots writing poems don't create billion-dollar businesses. Developer tools do. Claude Code has become one of those tools. It's about 10 months. It has grown from nothing to roughly $2.5 billion in revenue. And the usage numbers are starting to raise eyebrows. Around 4% of all public GitHub commits are now generated through Claude Code. That figure doubled in the last 30 days. Developers aren't merely experimenting anymore. They're actually committing code, pushing updates, and sending real software out into the world. This reveals the great divide. OpenAI went for the masses, 900 million weekly users. Huge number for sure. But interestingly, only 5.5% actually pay the bill. It's the freemium trap. Then we come to Anthropic, which has played the long game. They went straight for the C-suite. Over 500 companies now pay them $1 million plus per year. 8 out of the Fortune 10 are locked in. Business users pay 8 times more per head than your cousin's $20 plus subscription. So you get the maths, right? OpenAI might have had the fame, but Anthropic has the revenue quality. Anthropic's revenue is growing at roughly 10 times a year. OpenAI's pace, by comparison, sits closer to 3.4 times. If those trajectories hold, the picture could look very different by mid-2026, which at this point is only a few months away. And that's the moment when the company once seen as the challenger may end up setting the pace. The Pentagon has just made a rather pointed move. Anthropic has been labeled a supply chain risk. The disagreement centers on how its technology should be used, particularly around surveillance and autonomous weapons. Anthropic disputes the designation, calling it legally unsound, and the matter now, of course, appears headed for court. What we are seeing is a clear division emerging inside of the industry. Some companies are willing to work with governments under defined safeguards. Others draw firmer limits around how their systems can be deployed. And Washington, for the moment, finds itself navigating between the two. And here, of course, is the front page take. And that dispute hints at a larger shift taking shape across the industry. The early phase of the AI race revolved around attention. Who attracted the most users, the most headlines for that matter, and the most excitement online. That chapter, I believe, is beginning to close. The next phase is about something more fundamental. Who captures the real economic value of intelligence? OpenAI has commanded much of the public spotlight. Anthropic, meanwhile, is positioning itself deeper in the systems that developers rely on. Two very different approaches, as you can see, moving through the same landscape. And the company that ultimately dominates AI may not be the one sitting on your phone's home screen. It may be the one powering the software behind it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.